Follow these steps to replace your start components in your frozen vending machine. You will need a Phillips screwdriver. A powered screwdriver seen here can speed up the process. Needle nose pliers, a small screwdriver, and a multimeter to check the continuity. First, be sure your machine is unplugged. You will then need to remove the bottom tray to access the refrigeration unit. Disconnect the bottom tray harness by pushing on the button and pulling back. Push the metal lever underneath the tray on each side up so the tray can slide out. Then disconnect the evaporator harness and compressor harness. Then disconnect the temperature sensor harness toward the back and tuck it out of the way. Next, remove the two brackets securing the refrigeration unit. Then reach to the back of the refrigeration unit and pull it forward. Shifting the unit from side to side can help remove it. Here are the frozen refrigeration unit start components: the run capacitor, start capacitor. The start relay is up in the metal box accessed by removing this Phillips screw. Unhook from the tab up top. Each terminal on the start relay box is numbered. Make sure the connections are tight and there are no burnt or discolored terminals, which are signs of disconnection and overheating. Place the tab on top back into the slot and the screw back in to secure the start relay. Other terminals to check can be found in this little black box. Unlatch the band here to open. We are using a small screwdriver in this demonstration. Look for burnt or loose connections here. The overload protector here keeps the compressor from overheating. Use a multimeter to check continuity. No buzz from the multimeter means the overload protector needs replacement. Pull these wires off to measure the compressor resistance. C here is the common terminal. S is the start winding, R for run winding. When connected to the common terminal, the start winding should read around 2.8 ohms, and the run winding should be around 0.8 ohms. Replace the cover when finished. Make sure the back right gasket remains secure when putting in the new refrigeration unit. Keep the unit to the left so the gasket doesn't get rolled. Push the unit in and secure the front bracket and side wedge bracket. Put this front part of the bracket on first because the second part will push the unit back. Put the wedge in on the left side. Then plug in the 5-pin connector for the compressor and the 2-pin connector for the evaporator fan. Then attach the temperature sensor harness and tuck it out of the way. Place the tray back in the machine and plug in the tray harness and the strain relief on the wall. Slide the tray latch back down on both sides. Make sure the front gasket is pushed back into the track. For more assistance, call Vendnet Technical Support at 1-800-833-4411.